Did you know that a single offshore energy accident can result in insurance claims exceeding $1 billion? In the complex world of energy insurance, organizations face unprecedented challenges navigating intricate risk landscapes, technological disruptions, and increasingly sophisticated global energy markets. Companies struggle to develop comprehensive insurance strategies that address the unique risks of an evolving energy ecosystem. Insurance professionals confront extraordinary challenges, understanding complex technological risks, managing extensive financial exposures, navigating intricate regulatory environments, and developing innovative insurance solutions for rapidly changing energy sectors. Individual team members experience intense pressure to develop comprehensive risk assessment skills, integrate advanced analytical tools, and make critical decisions that can protect multi-billion-dollar energy infrastructure and operations. Our comprehensive certification program provides a transformative approach to energy insurance management. Participants will master advanced skills in risk assessment, financial modeling, regulatory compliance, technological risk evaluation, and strategic insurance solutions specific to the global energy sector. The program goes beyond traditional insurance training, offering deep insights into emerging technological risks, complex energy market dynamics, and integrated risk management techniques. Organizations can expect a significant enhancement in risk management capabilities, with professionals equipped to navigate the most challenging insurance environments with precision and strategic insight. Participants will develop the ability to create sophisticated risk models, develop innovative insurance products, understand complex energy sector exposures, and generate strategic approaches that address the multifaceted challenges of modern energy insurance. This is more than a certification. It's a strategic pathway to mastering the complex world of energy insurance. Are you ready to transform your approach to risk management in the global energy sector? Your opportunity to become a strategic leader in energy insurance starts now. Seize the moment to develop the skills that will define the future of energy risk protection and insurance innovation.